여러분, 지금은 훈련 상황이 아닙니다. 국민 여러분, 지금은 훈련 상황이 아닙니다. 비상사태로 인해 정상 프로그램이 중단되었습니다. 한국 정부의 요청에 따라 다음 메시지가 전송됩니다. 이것은 테스트가 아닙니다. 반복합니다. 이것은 테스트가 아닙니다. 오후 2시 북한군이 38선을 넘어 현장에서 사람을 죽이는 모습이 목격됐다. 남한의 모든 주민은 어디에 있든 대피할 것을 권고했다. 모든 문을 닫고 잠그십시오. 난방과 에어컨을 끄십시오. 식수를 챙기십시오. 의복 위생용품과 배터리 전원 또는 손 크랭크, 화기가 있다면 지금 얻으십시오. 북한 군대가 발견되면 당신은 살인을 포함하여 탈출하기 위해 당신의 힘으로 무엇이든 합니다. 행동을 취하지 마십시오. 당신의 인생은 그것에 달려 있습니다.
This is CNN Breaking News.
Hi everyone, welcome back to CNN News. And today's tensions between North Korea and South tensions have taken a dark turn. As you can see in the footage here, North Korea has invaded South Korea in order to reunify Korea finally. This could not be confirmed at this time on why Kim Jong-un decided to do this, but however, the United Nations has decided to help the South Koreans. However, many fear that a full-scale global nuclear war could happen at any time, as the tensions between the United States and North Korea are now beginning to rise.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and TV service will transmitted this emergency message. The President of the United States will speak shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupted regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United Nations. This is not a test. I repeat, this is not a test. At 4:51 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, 20 nuclear missiles were detected from North Korea. The targets are Seoul, South Korea, Tokyo, Japan, Paris, France, Moscow, Russia, Berlin, Germany, London, United Kingdom, Washington, D.C., United States, New York City, United States, Winnipeg, Canada, Toronto, Canada, Ottawa, Canada, and many military base. Other world leaders have been put in secure locations. All residents in these cities or in a 100 miles radius are advised to go to the nearest fallout shelter. If no shelter exists in your area, go to the lowest part of the building, close and lock all doors and windows. Turn off heating and air conditioning. Put as much walls between you and the outside area much as possible. Stay away from windows. Stock as much food, water, clothing and medical supplies. You will also need a battery power or hand crank radio, because the power will go up. Do not go in elevators as you will get stuck. President Joe Biden will speak soon.
My fellow Americans, this is one of the darkest times in humanity's history. I can't believe that Kim Jong-un would decide to invade South Korea in order to reunify Korea. But this will not stop. We will gain vengeance. China is about to send reinforcements to North Korea, but we will not let them do it this time. We have a new weapon called an EMP system. It will disarm any electronics. We will detonate these EMPs over North Korea and China, so they can't transport any goods. I'm sorry for the Americans, but there are going to be loss. But do not give up hope. We will make it out of this. We are strong and free. We are the United States. This ends my message. Good luck to you all.